Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I have a little boy that is a sugar addict and an opportunist. He will sneak all the junk food any chance he gets. But guess what? We found this lockable storage box from Billetem. It's amazing. He cannot sneak the sweets anymore, haha. So this is actually advertised as a lockable medicine box. So you could absolutely use it for medication as well. However, my kids don't care about medication, they care about the junk food. So that's what we're currently using it for. It comes in a few different colors. We chose the clear, and the combination lock is really simple to set. It's a 3-digit combination, and you'll see a little knob on the back and it says A and B. So you move the little metal knob to the B option, and that allows you to set whatever code you want to, and then you shift it back to the A position and it sets the code. Just don't tell my kids that, okay? So we love it. I know I don't have to worry about my kids sneaking anymore. They have to come and ask if they can have some. So it's a great solution for literally anything that you need to keep in a safe place. And that's my point of view.